Hi, my name is Caitlin Smith, Research and Development Chemist at Odor Incorporated. Today I'll be talking about the products in our bio-enzymatic line and how they can be the perfect solution for your specific application. These products all rely on the power and efficiency of several bacterial species. These specific species produce enzymes that specifically target organic material found in stains and malodors, such as fats, proteins, and starches. Several of these products also contain our proprietary odor counteractant, which goes beyond superficially masking the odor, but it chemically neutralizes the structure of the malodor itself, therefore eliminating the odor at the source. The first product is our Bio-Enzymatic Urine Digester. This product is a great solution for hard surfaces, restroom care, trap and drain treatments, and carpet care applications. This product was tested by the Carpet and Rug Institute and received its seal of approval in categories such as soil removal efficacy and resoiling, therefore setting it above the competition. This also contains 4 bacillus bacterial species that target the organic materials found in restroom environments such as proteins, urea, and starches, therefore eliminating the soil and the malodor. The next product is our BioBreak Multi-Purpose Digester. This is a great all-in-one solution for hard surface, carpet care, trap and drain, and restroom applications. This is the first product in its category to be Green Seal certified, so it's environmentally friendly and readily biodegradable. This product contains 7 bacillus bacterial species which target the specific organic materials in restroom and carpet care applications. This product is also compatible with a wide variety of carpet care cleaning products on the market now, and it can be used in pH neutral carpet shampooers and extractors.